Hi guys, today we are going to fix the Twitter integration and app in iOS 5 using BlueTweety. Welcome to the channel and let's get started. First, you need to jailbreak the device. You can use Absent or other tools to jailbreak the iOS 5.1.1 device. Secondly, once you have jailbroken the device, open Cydia. Then go to Sources, Edit, Add. Enter cydia.skyglow.es. Once you have entered the source, click Add Source and the source will be added. Skyglow Cydia Repo. Click on it. Tweaks BlueTweety. Once you are in the BlueTweety page, click on Install again, then Confirm. Wait for the installer to finish. Restart the springboard. Then go to Settings and then BlueTweety. You need to enter the URL called twitterbridge.loganserver.net. Do not include HTTPS in URL. It will work. So go to Twitter, sign in. Click on the gear icon and then enter the Twitter API. Enter the URL again. HTTPS twitterbridge see that here. Now enter username and password, but it should end with bsky.social. Account authenticated and we are signed into Twitter. Twitter integration with BlueTweety on bluesky on the Twitter app. Now let's sign into the Twitter integration. Go to Settings, Twitter, and then enter username also with bsky.social. Yes, we now signed into Twitter integration on bluesky. Now you can use Twitter on any app. So suppose if you are sharing something, click on tweet and then post. That's how the Twitter integration works, and that's how to fix Twitter integration and app in iOS 5. Please note that this method is only in iOS 10 and below, not in iOS 11 and later because the integration was removed. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.